Unit 5 Summary. Ladies and gentlemen, you have reached the end of this chapter. Let me summarize the major issues we have touched upon in this chapter. We addressed the principles of reasoning. By way of inductive reasoning, a particular proposition will be extended to a generalizing proposition. While applying deductive reasoning, a general proposition will be applied to a specific incident in order to derive a particular proposition. Both ways of reasoning can be used in order to create forecasts or to derive explanations. Furthermore, we addressed the syllogism as a special form of deriving logical conclusions. Logical reasoning can be explained by using Aristotle's example of the structure of syllogisms. Especially, the quantity and quality of statements and conclusions become important. The deductive-nomological model as well as the inductive statistical model provide more formalized ways of reasoning. The logical figures of modus ponens and modus tollens were introduced in order to form a basis for explaining falsification. The falsification and the verification of propositions are fundamental to academic research. There are two important rules to keep in mind. Universal propositions are falsifiable, but not verifiable. Existential propositions are not falsifiable, but verifiable. Falsification is the act of disproving a hypothesis, proposition, statement, sentence, or theory. Falsifiability is the fact that a hypothesis, proposition, statement, sentence, or theory have to be formulated in a way that it is disputable, meaning that it is falsifiable. Falsification with modus tollens is a formalized way of describing the falsification of a hypothesis. Observations can be used in order to generate and indicate a hypothesis. Logical reasoning might lead to a causal hypothesis. Both the indicator hypothesis and the causal hypothesis imply advantages and disadvantages. This is why typically both methods are employed while deriving new or falsifying existing theories.